Righty, thank you, Jamie. Experts call it a mental health crisis. September is National Suicide Prevention Month. People are opening up more about mental health issues, but last month the CDC reported 9 out of 10 Americans still believe asking for help is a sign of weakness. Joining us now is Eve Kincaid with the Independence Center in the Central West End. Eve, thanks for joining us. It is an important month to talk about this, and tell me what you do there at the Independence Center.
Indeed. So I'm Eve Kincaid with the Independence Center, and at in the Independence Center in the Central West End for the last 40 years, we've been working with people with severe and persistent mental illness, and that includes those who might be struggling with suicidal thoughts, providing a whole gamut of mental health services as well as a community for people to connect with others who have had similar experiences, help heal, and find a way to thrive.
Great. And then the most important part of this, or one of them, there's so many avenues you can go down this route and mental health, is the 3 Ps. There are 3 Ps of suicide prevention that you wanted to touch on. Tell me what those are.
Yes, so the 3 Ps of suicide prevention are people, place, and purpose. We are in the midst of a kind of silent pandemic. The maybe louder pandemic COVID has accentuated with a higher rate of suicide every year, a 16% increase in the suicide rate, with Missouri being at the top of that list, always having a higher national average than the rest of the country in suicide rates. And the 3 Ps are a simple, actionable way to think about what you want to do if you might be struggling with suicidal thoughts. First step is people. So you want to find a way to reach out. And Independence Center is a great place to be able to connect with people, but maybe you're not ready for that yet. That would be an opportunity for you to consider calling something like 988, the National Mental Health Crisis Hotline. You can connect with mental health professionals there and talk to someone, or you can even chat. You can Google 988 and chat with someone, or you can text them as well. So if you're not quite ready to meet with people face to face, you could try that process. And then the next P is place. So that could be maybe your neighborhood community, a church, or a place for therapy, those sort of things. It'd be the place that you would want to connect with people. So you're finding the people, you've got the place, and then the 3rd P for suicide prevention is purpose. Too often, people who are struggling with suicidal thoughts have a hard time seeing what their purpose is. If you can find a place where you connect with people, you can help find that purpose again. Independence Center is one of the great places to do those sort of things.
Okay, 3 Ps, be aware of that. People, place, and purpose. Thank you so much, Eve. And if you want more information on what the Independence Center does, you can find more information at independencecenter.org. And we also remind our viewers, help is just a phone call away. 988, as you mentioned, is the national number for the Suicide and Crisis Lifeline. It's open 24 hours a day and is free and confidential. Again, Eve, thanks for joining us on this Thursday.